Welcome back. Our Inside South Florida correspondent Miriam had the chance to sit down with a local food and marketing expert who hopes to change the way we think about sustainability and wellness. Take a look.
Aymara, thank you so much for being on the show. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. You know, it's a new year, so it means like new me, right? That's the same. New you, new year, new you. A lot of people are now on the track of being healthier, and they're saying they're gonna, eat healthy and do the workouts and all that good stuff, right? And as their New Year's list of resolutions. And now you're here to help us and get us on that right track. So I'm excited to talk to you. So let's talk about Concerned Cook. For those who don't know, explain to us what Concerned Cook is. What inspired you to create Concerned Cook?
Thank you. So I am Aymara Lucero, and I started Concerned Cook about 10 years ago. Right now, it's a restaurant and food product marketing agency focusing on people that source food locally, are healthy, wellness. But when I started 10 years ago, I just wanted people to learn how to make really healthy recipes, how to reduce food waste in the kitchen, and how to incorporate more nutritional habits into their lifestyle.
So now you have over 9,000 followers on Instagram, which is impressive, right? Like I'm trying to get there. And every little recipe you put is so important. When you make a recipe or when you put something up on Instagram or anywhere, what is that first intention? Like, okay, this is why I started the page. What goes behind that? What's the inspiration behind that?
There are certain factors to every recipe I create. So one of them would have to be that it's very simple. So anyone can do it at any time. It's not overcomplicated. There are ingredients that anyone can have at home where they're easily accessible and that they are quick and healthy.
Awesome. So people don't have the excuse of I don't have time to make a healthy meal, because obviously with you, they can. So tell me a quick recipe we can we can do together to get us healthier in the new year.
So the recipe that I chose to share with you is air-fried cauliflower, because air fryers are magical. You can make proteins in there. If you're vegan, you can make all types of veggies in there. And this recipe is great if you're gonna meal prep, which I suggest everyone should do during the new year. A tip would be to set an alarm every day so you create a habit, because a lot of it is behavioral, just creating habits. And you can get a whole head of cauliflower. You can break it up into florets, season it with whatever you want. So I used a little bit of olive oil and curry powder. But if you like adobo, if you like Italian seasoning, if you like salt and pepper or rosemary, you can just season it really quick in a bowl and get all of that cauliflower, put it in the air fryer at 350 for 15-20 minutes. And it gets so crispy and tender inside, and you can save it for different meals. So it's perfect.
It's perfect. It could be a snack, it could be a side for dinner, lunch, or I'm going to say breakfast. But if you want to add cauliflower to your breakfast, why not, right? This may be my unhealthy side, right? I love to dip. Whenever I have a snack like that, can you add a dip for the cauliflower? Because I'm a huge fan of cauliflower. As an adult, I became obsessed with it.
I think Greek yogurt is just so underused, because you can make so many salty things. If you like ranch, you can get Greek yogurt and add a little ranch powder or salt, pepper, lemon. You can add whatever flavors. You can add hot sauce if you want it to be spicy. And then Greek yogurt, it has protein. It's very good for you. So I would do that. That would be great.
Awesome. I already did the mental tips, and I'm going to follow the recipes. So I am on the track to a healthy, better 2022. Aymara, if people want to know more information and want to see your recipes, where can they go?
They can find me on Concerned Cook on all social media. So Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest also, and my website as well, which has different things, but it still incorporates recipes.